In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color each task in Wrike for 2025, step by step. Coloring your tasks can make your workspace not only more visually appealing, but also more organized and efficient. It's a great way to prioritize tasks at a glance and ensure you're focusing on what's important. So let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to access your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in your Wrike workspace, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Have a look at the tasks requiring attention and think about how color coding can optimize your workflow. Moving on from here, click on your profile picture or avatar, which is usually located at the top of the interface. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. You'll want to find and click on Settings. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Wrike workspace, including task colors. Once you're in the Settings menu, look through the options until you come across Workflows. Click on this tab. Now, workflows are essentially visual maps of how your tasks progress from start to finish, so it's the perfect place to manage how your tasks appear as they move through different stages. Now, with workflows open, the next thing you'll need to do is choose the specific tasks you want to color. You'll see a list of tasks or perhaps a view of several tasks in a timeline or table. Click on the task that you feel would benefit from a splash of color. Whether it's tasks that are high priority, nearing deadlines, or those that have different statuses, coloring them can be a real game changer. After selecting the task, it's time to actually pick the colors. You'll have an option at each task or in a menu to choose the color. Clicking on this should bring up a palette or a list of color options. Here's where you can let your creativity shine. Maybe choose bright colors for urgent tasks, cool colors for completed ones, or any other system that suits your needs. The key here is consistency, so it's easy to remember what each color signifies at a glance. And that's it! You've now got beautifully color-coded tasks that make planning and executing your work both easier and more enjoyable. Remember, the aim is to enhance clarity and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. As you continue to use Wrike, feel free to tweak the colors to better fit your workflow as it evolves. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps to boost your productivity in Wrike. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your tools. Happy organizing!